Hey friends, I'm Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews.
So friends, today I will test this wireless CarPlay adapter from the CarAbc company. Now this company is quite famous for making multimedia accessories, and now they have introduced this wireless CarPlay adapter. Now one thing to note is that this is just a standard wireless CarPlay adapter. It simply converts the wired CarPlay into a wireless CarPlay system. Now, don't confuse this device with a CarPlay AI box. This device does not have a full Android system, so you won't get apps like YouTube, Netflix, or other such applications. Now, let's open this box. So what we get inside the box is a user manual. So all the details on how to connect this device with your car. Then you get the device, and you get two cables to connect the device with your car. Now this cable is actually a type C to type C, and this is what I need for my car, and the most of the European cars these days come with a type C connection, and the other one is a type A to type C. So this end goes into the device and the other end goes into the car. Alright, so coming back to the device, now this is the device. It's a very small and compact device, all plastic, very lightweight. You've got this circular design, name of the brand on top, LED light that indicates whether it's on or off. On the side you've got the USB-C connection. This is where you have to plug in the cable. So at the back you've got this anti-slippery rubber base, so the device won't slip. So overall it's just a very simple basic design, a circular design, nothing special. It's quite lightweight. So now let me take this out to my car and connect it, and then we will test the wireless CarPlay system with this CarAbc wireless CarPlay adapter. So keep watching, guys.
Alright friends, so I'm in my car and I've got this CarAbc wireless CarPlay adapter with me here. Now I will connect this with the system of my car using the cable that came inside the box. So let me connect it. Alright, so the device is now connected with the system. Now in a few seconds we should be able to see the main landing page of this device with instructions on how to connect the device with my phone to get access to the wireless CarPlay system. Alright, so this is the main landing page. So the next step we need to do is go to our Bluetooth, switch on the Bluetooth, and find this new device which appears as Smart Box. Click on this, pair the device, allow it to sync favorites, and then finally click on this Use CarPlay option. Now in a few seconds we should be able to see the home page of Apple CarPlay. Now this is a one-time setup. You just need to make this connection between the iPhone and the device once, and then every time you switch on the car, the device will automatically detect the connection with your iPhone. As long as the Bluetooth is on your iPhone, it will detect the connection and take you directly to the home page of Apple CarPlay, like this. Now this is the standard home page of Apple CarPlay. You will see all the applications that are installed on your mobile appearing here. Now just one note, that only the apps that are compatible with Apple CarPlay would appear here. There are apps, mostly the video or image content apps like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. All those apps which are not compatible with Apple CarPlay would not appear here on the screen. Alright, so as you can see, it's quite nice, quite fast. Now we can test the functions of Apple CarPlay as well. Hey Siri, take me to Dubai Mall. I can use the steering wheel control to control the volume as well, so that's nice. And as you can see, it's quite nice. Hey Siri, play some music.
Shuffling all songs from Apple Music.
Alright, so music is playing as well. That's quite nice. Let's go back to the main home page. In fact, if you go towards your right, you get a split screen. So you've got the calendar, you've got the media playing, and then you have the navigation here. So it's quite nice. Let's check one more thing. Hey Siri, call Ipster.
Calling Ipster home.
Now this is my other mobile, so let's see if it can call. Yep, so the calling is also working. Alright, so that's quite nice. So music working, Siri working, navigation is also working. You can make phone calls as well. So all the main functions and features of Apple CarPlay are working perfectly fine. So the last thing I would like to test on this is the time it takes to start and get to the main homepage of Apple CarPlay when we switch on the car. Alright, so let me unplug the device. And then I will plug it back in, and I've got my stopwatch ready here as well. So let me unplug the device and then plug it back in, and now let's start the timer as well. Let's see how long does this take. Now one thing to note is that you need to make sure that the Bluetooth on your iPhone is on, so that the device can connect with your cell phone and get to the main Apple CarPlay homepage. Alright, so 26 seconds. So 26 seconds is really nice, to be honest. I've tested devices that go beyond 45 seconds. So a 27 second speed, I would say, is really nice. So that's it, guys. This was a very quick review of this CARabc wireless CarPlay adapter. And we've tested some of the functions and features, and everything seems to be working perfectly fine. It seems to be quite a fast device, and I will continue to use this in the coming days, and if I come across any issues, I will definitely mention that in the video description. But what I've tested so far, I really like it. Everything is working perfectly fine. This is a perfect device for those people who don't really want to spend a lot of money just to get a wireless CarPlay adapter. This is a very affordable device with the basic functions of wireless CarPlay adapter. You don't need to buy a wireless CarPlay AI box with all the other functions as well, if you're only looking for a wireless CarPlay. So friends, if you're interested in buying this device, just go to the link in the description of this video that takes you directly to the maker's website, where you can buy this CARabc wireless CarPlay adapter. Thanks for watching, guys.